Hello guys, my name is Ashish and today I'm going to make you guys learn that how we can create a database within any software like MySQL, Workbench and anything else. So today we are going to use MySQL Workbench. I have already downloaded it. I have the version of MySQL Workbench 8.0. So as we open the application, there is a first interface of this workbench, and here is the local instance. So after clicking on this local instance, it will direct us to the this page. So this page is about our SQL query editor, or we can say SQL script editor also. So there are various methods for creating a database, and we will use today the most simple and easy method of creating a database. Here we can see there is a SQL query editor page. So if we click on this, it will create a new page for us to write query of the SQL. So the easiest method is to create a database. It's simply doing by writing the query. So we will write the query as create database. And now we have to give the name of our database which we want. Like I want to create a database with name hotel. Okay. Or we can write this in small letter also, hotel. And for finishing up the query, we have to enclose this query in by the semicolon. So after completing the query, let's execute this. Oh, these are already in a hotel. There is already a database created with hotel name, so we have to change the name of the hotel, like underscore. So now if we will run this query again, so as we can see, there is an green mark in the output section, means we have successfully created the database. As we can see, there is hotel when create database is created. So now now it's time to insert some data and some columns into it. So let's suppose I want to insert the data into it within an external source file like CSV file. So in the next query, we have to write that use this database, use hotel one database. Let's execute this. And now we are using our database. And after refreshing this, we can see there are tables and tables and views. And this is the relational views. So this after clicking on this table section, there is an option like table data import wizard. So after clicking on this, it will direct us to this page where we can browse our file from which we want to extract the data. After clicking on this browse, this will open another page where we can choose our file. Like I want to choose this file, hotel reservation dataset. Then click to the next. After clicking next, there is the name of the table which we want to create. So I will create a new table with hotel reservation dataset name. Okay. So there are two options given: use existing table and creating new table. So I will give preference to creating a new table. So after clicking on next, so there we can see there are various attributes are present within my data already, like booking ID, number of adults, number of children, we can add, etc., etc., etc. So after clicking on this next again, there are again two options are coming, like prepare import and import data file. So we have to click again next. So it will take 5 to 10 seconds for importing the data. So once the data is inserted, oh, it's complete. So by clicking on next again, now we have to click on finish, and we can see the data is inserted successfully. Like again in the output section, there is a green option. So there is another option also, which is for the flash filling. Like in the schemas, when we click on the table, there is a table we can see hotel reservation data set. So there is a flash filling option. This is after clicking on this option, we can see the data is successfully imported. So this is so easy, and how we can import some data. Or also, if we are doing some queries, like we have to update our data, we have to retrieve one by one information, that also we can do on this page. Okay, so the task is about only to create a data and database and insert some data into it. So that's all. Thank you for watching the video.